Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to log out of your Gmail account on your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Gmail. So I'm gonna look it up on my phone right now. I'm gonna open Gmail. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the icon of our account. And then we're gonna click on Manage Accounts on this device. And here we'll see all of the accounts that we have available on the device. I have only one, but we're gonna click on the account that we want to log out of. And we're gonna click on Remove Account. And once again, Remove Account. So that's it. The account has been removed and we are logged out of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.